Hey guys, today I want to be teaching you stacks in Java. If you don't know what a stack is, it's basically a last in, first out data structure. And if you don't know what that means, imagine you were stacking plates and each plate had some data on it. So you stack some plates on top of each other, and if you wanted to take one out, you could, but you could only take out the top plate. So the last plate that you put on top of your stack is the first plate you can take out, and then you can take out the one under and underneath. Now let's get started coding. The first thing we want to do, guys, is import our library. So we're going to import java.util.stack, and now we're going to create our stack. In order to make a stack, we're going to be calling the stack class right here, and we're going to be putting integers inside of it, but you could put string or anything else you want, and we're going to call it stack, but you can make this whatever you want. It's just the name. And then make sure we have this right here and this right here. If you don't have these, then you could get an error. Now for the fun part, we're going to be adding some data in now. So we're going to push 10, 20, and 30 in because we have integer right here, and these are integer numbers. But if you want to put like string here, then we could put like strings inside, but we're going to stick with integer. So all we have to do is just print out the stack right here, just like this, no toString or anything, and it's going to print out 10, 20, 30 as expected. The next thing you guys need to know is how to pop an element out, and popping literally just means to take out whatever's at top. So we have 10, 20, then 30. So if we pop it, it's going to give us whatever we last put in, which is 30, and it's going to take out the 30. So now in our stack, if we print our stack out again, we're only going to see a 10 and 20. So let's print those out. As you guys can see, we had 10, 20, 30 before over here, and then we popped out 30, and now we're left with just 10 and 20. The next important method that you guys need to learn is the peek method, and what that basically does is lets you see what is on top of the stack. So if you tried taking something out, this is what you're gonna get, but it doesn't actually take it out. You're just looking basically. So if you printed this out, you'll see we'll have 10, 20, 30 from before, right? We printed that out. They popped out 30, and our stack after popping is 10, 20. And if we peek right here, right, it prints out 20 because after we take out 30, the next thing is 20. But remember that 20 is still inside the stack. We haven't taken out 20 yet. The last thing you guys need to know is the isEmpty method, and all that literally does is it tells you as a boolean if your stack is empty or not. So if we print this out now, it's obviously going to say false because our stack is not empty. We still have 10 and 20 in there. Alright, adios.